What's up, guys, and welcome back to another freaking video. So today we're actually doing an exciting little activity. We're actually at a car meet. My baby, it's a little dirty, but there's a hell of people out here. So we're gonna do today. Hopefully we see some banger ass fucking cars, cause every meet that I go to, well, it's not even a meet. This is actually a show. So hopefully we see some carritos. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. The banner's about to go because it's way too wide. But we're about to go hit this car show. See what it's about. But tell me that car isn't pretty sick. I mean, the Rap is. I think that's a Genesis. I mean, I'll go review it, but I'm on the way inside. So. Yo, the Mopar boys are here. Oh, I can't see shit. I think that's better. Okay, I like that. Little pop. I don't know who that is, honestly. Wide body? Woo. I mean, I'm not really a fan of the wide body, but you see how interior wise is? Ooh, the sneakers? Air Forces? They're dope. Let's see the engine bay, bro. So far, for a Mopar, oh, is it really supercharged? A Scotty that's supercharged? That's what they said. I don't know if it's actually supercharged or not. But what do I give this? I'm not a Mopar boy. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. That's pretty good. Honda Type R? What? The engine bay is looking sexy as heck, though. I don't know where the hood is at, but if it is a carbon fiber hood, that's a 10 out of 10. She looks clean. Inside, I don't know what the fat ass dildo is. Ooh, got a back seat delete. And in the back. What do I give this? I give this what should I give it? Huh? I give it a 6 out of 10 because it's a Honda. It's reliable, so it's a 7. Evo Central right here. 3 Evos? Yeah, I got so much love for these Evos. Crazy. This Rap? It's a Rap. This Rap is wild, dude. Yeah, I like the Evo on black though. This Evo in black, bro. If I next to the Subi, I would get this right here, JDM lifestyle right here. This Evo is so sexy. This is a 10 out of 10 for sure. Yo, no cap. This is like the Nissan Altima. You guys, I didn't want to go up close to it because I think the owner's right there, but it's just trash. I do not like this at all. Bro, throw this shit away. Throw the whole thing over. Another Subi. Oh, this camera though? Camera's on point.
There's a flex right here. Watch, check this one.
The carbon fiber hood though? I mean, trunk? Dude, I love me some carbon fiber, to be honest.
Put a little stick in there.
So apparently, the tire wears off of it. Oh, this tint?
Oh, damn.
This tint is wild. This is a clean build though. Clean. Clean build.
Oh, you can see too.
Oh yeah. Look at that. The tires, bro. All that camera. No cap? The camera from over here, bro. Look at this. That's wild. The camera's crazy. Yo, what do I give this? I'm not really a camera guy, so give this a 6 out of 10. It's cool though, it's nice. It's nice. Oh, this other Subi wide body, but look at these tires, bro. They're so freaking wide. The wheels are pretty nice. It's a nice and simple car. Steering wheel, aftermarket. It's broken though. Nah, this one's straight up broken though. It's a clean little build. What do I rate this? Cool. 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Nice and simple. Hey, low-key, this Tacoma build? 10 out of 10. Nah. Yo, this Toyota Corolla, little hatchback apparently. I know it's probably all cosmetics, but this engine bay, those headlights. I've never seen Toyota Corolla modified like this. Low key. Drake's toy. That's funny. Those headlights are cool. Wheels. Adobe. I used to have those wheels. The interior is clean though. I'll give it up to me. The interior is clean. Now this is the best part though. That trunk setup, 10 out of 10 for sure. I wish I had something like this. Just because it's a Toyota Corolla, I'm about to give it this. But this is a good solid 8 out of 10. The trunk setup though is a 10 out of 10. I love that trunk setup. Yo, this Mustang? Ooh, that wide body though. I've never seen like a Mustang that's wide body, but this is pretty clean. Hey, this trunk setup. Dude, you guys can't freaking hear me because of the freaking music, but this trunk setup is wild. 2 tanks. 2 freaking tanks. It's a clean. And the diffuser. Dude, this Mustang probably sounds wild. Probably has the loudest exhaust. These tires are meaty as heck. I love the wrap though. That wrap is beautiful. Jesus. I wonder if he's running spacers. He has to. What size are these tires though? 325. Dude, I want those seats. I want bronze seats. Bronze seats are always a beautiful thing. But engine wise? Oh no, it's a 5.0. I thought it was a GT350 at first. So just a 5.0. I'm not gonna lie, this is a pretty clean Mustang. I'll give this a 10 out of 10, bro. 10 out of 10. Bro, this freaking Nismo is pushing 700 horsepower. That's crazy. Just for that, it's a 10 out of 10. Just for that, 700 horsepower. Twin turbo, bro. Twin turbo. Nobody can beat that any day of the week. These are light as fuck too. I wonder if it's stick or automatic. Oh, you wait. Oh, yep, it's stick. For sure, 10 out of 10. Yo, look at this beautiful thing though. Makes me want to get a 370 now. To be honest. Interior is nice and clean, but 700 horsepower. I wish I could see the turbos. Oh, I can't see. FRS? I've never liked the BRZ FRS 86. Oh, this is 86 actually. It's 86.
Oh, you're with it.
The engine bay. I like this wrap. Or is it just decals or is it wrap? Well, it's just decals. Like stickers.
Probably come back if anything.
Look at the inside. It's not stick, it's automatic, bro. Never mind. I just downgraded the trunk setup. It's cool, it's cool. It's cool, it's alright.
No, it's Subi Stitch.
That's hella funny. I like this, but the thing is automatic. And give this a 5 out of 10 for sure. Oh, this Subi? What color is this though? This is beautiful. I actually like this color. It's like a kind of a limon. Dude, the carbon fiber hood always pops out. STI. Interior, pretty solid. Yes, it's stick. This color is beautiful. You see that trunk setup? Damn. Trunk setup pretty clean. Fat old diffuser. Look at this. So, you got some speakers. That setup. It's pretty clean. These wheels, he tugs pretty good. Why did I rate this? It's because it's a Subi. I gotta give it an 8 out of 10. It's a fresh white. Oh, those lights off? I mean, that looks corny, but dude, this is the first time I've seen a wide body that's molded into a Subi. That color pops out though. Ooh. I love this. Those headlights. You know, that's carbon fiber hood. Clean. He has to be on bags. There's no way. Not leathers. Just because of the stars, it would have been 10 out of 10, but since I got the stars, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I don't really like those taillights. Sexy as Nismo I've seen in this car show right here. This is clean. Carbon fiber hood, 10 out of 10. Bro, this color's pretty nice. I think it's a wrap. I don't know. Man, he loves carbon fiber. Look at this. This is nice. More carbon fiber. I like these wheels. The fitment's on point. Bro, supersonic? I'm about to look them up. This is dope though. I give this a 10 out of 10. I love my 370s. This is beautiful. And this is a beautiful car right here. Yo, this one, I didn't know my aunt came to the car show. 0 out of 10, bro. Shouldn't be allowed here, sorry. Yo, this Infinity though. Which one is it? I don't know which one it is. Oh, it's a Q50, yes. It's dope. The camber is nice. Carbon fiber. I like the paint. It's a wrap though. It's a wrap. This is beautiful. I give it a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. It's nice and simple, but 6 out of 10. Yo, those BRZs, wow. That colored wide body. I like the banner though. I want one of those. Banner is a 10 out of 10. Damn, this fitment though. These wheels. Ooh. So beautiful view. That big old wing. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. It's because it's a BRZ. Pretty slow. Just imagine if we actually did that. Imagine all the people living in peace and space. Bro, another 370. Dude, these are so freaking nice. I just love how you can modify the shit out of these cars. Nice color. What is this? Oh, no carbon fiber hood. That's some carbon fiber though. Got some carbon fiber. More carbon fiber. These wheels with the green. How's the inside? I like these seats. Ooh. I want this car so bad. Ooh, that trunk setup. Trunk setup is nice. I'll give this a 9 out of 10 because the other Z was better. Yo, another 370 Z. I'm not gonna rate this one because I already rated it hella, but if I would rate it, it'd be a 10 out of 10. This is beautiful, bro. This is a beautiful car right here. You know, it's hella funny how they drive these cars, bro. They're like all right there. Look at that shit. Vámonos a la chingada. Yo, this is dope. I actually want one of these, bro. Look at this. Yo, that's dope. Hey, cleanest Evo we seen today? This is probably like the cleanest one, bro. Honestly, what this is. It's an Evo 10, I think.
It was just an accident.
Oh, that trunk setup? Wow. Diffuser. This is sick as fuck. Look at this. Seat delete. Oh, you see? Evo 10, bro. Yo, this is pushing 560 horsepower to the wheel on a E85. That's crazy. Bro, so I came to try and find something to drink. Some pista. I'm lost in the woods right now. We're like in the middle of a flea market that's about to close, and we still can't find the stand for the beer. Wish me luck. So apparently I ended up getting my beer because I was on a mission to try to find it. We didn't get it. I'm getting it. And yeah, I'm dying of thirst right now, but it was alright car show. It wasn't too bad. I rated some of the cars I thought were pretty badass. Like 2 of them that were weak as fuck, so. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's gonna be a little short little video. But see you guys on the next video. Yo, before I end the fucking video, but look how dirty my baby is. I'm gonna have to do a little video. Fold on detail. Okay. Look at this. Look at this windshield though. I hate that banner and that shit needs to go away. Look at this. Alright, well, hit the subscribe button.